Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touch assembly on iPhone X mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone, then remove the SIM tray and then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup or something similar. In here, we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book or 45-degree angle and then remove 5 screws to take out the shield. Then undo the battery, both LCD and touch plugs and the earpiece assembly plug. Now you can take out the broken screen. Next, take the new screen and connect it to the logic board for verification. Once the verification has passed, disconnect the cable back and add the earpiece assembly and bracket to the new screen. Now on the broken screen, undo 3 screws and take out the earpiece assembly and the bracket. Next, add the bracket on the new replacement screen and place the earpiece assembly by adding 3 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, start connecting the front screen to the body. First, connect the battery, LCD and touch assembly plugs and then lock the board's earpiece assembly plug. Make sure the connections are secured and add the shield by adding 5 screws. Now to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Finally, insert the SIM tray and 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.